Okay guys, we're getting finished up here at the farmhouse in the rough. We got the right side almost completed. But what I would like to show you guys is how to properly install a T-molding on a laminate floor. So if you look at it from this angle, it looks like a T, right? Okay, and you probably have what, a good 3/8 of an inch right here. So the biggest mistakes I see when people are cutting out their flooring is their gap is really tight, and then they try to get this to fall into that gap, and it makes it really difficult and it breaks the T-molding over time. But we're going to show you how to properly do it, so follow me. So here we're up against tile. Come on down, Tommy. We're up against tile, and you can see the size of the gap. Now I always say, 1.25 inches, don't be a hoarder. So you can see we're pretty far apart. We have at least 1 inch of gap. Okay, our T-molding is 1.75 inches. Okay, the glue that we're going to use is PL3X, polyurethane, okay? And I'm gonna show you how I glue it. We're gonna do beads of glue about 3 inches apart. Notice how I'm rubbing it down into the concrete. And I'm just filling it up. Most people say, that's done, it's finished. Then I run me a nice little bead of glue on the back of this T-molding here, so I can get it down into the pore of the T-molding. That way we have a proper adhesion. Okay? See how this works? Now notice I have a little bit of a bow. You want that especially if it's humid out, because when that dries, you don't want it to shrink and have a big old gap. So we push this down. I can feel my glue. All right, and then we're gonna weight it down with something heavy. The weight needs to stay on there for 24 hours. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Thanks for watching.